Asikhulume ngawo-ke ama-transfers in terms of i-Kaizer Chiefs. So far they have signed uThabo Moloisane naye-ke uRenaldo Lena. Both of these players-ke babathole for free. So kuchaza khona ukuthi-ke abakakhokhi-ke imali in terms of buying a player. Kodwa-ke basathathe bona-ke labadlali-ke abawu-2 as free agents. Amakhosi have already left South Africa. Bakhona-ke laphana eSpain preparing for the upcoming season. So kuyaveza ukuthi-ke they are happy with the squad they had last season, and they believe ukuthi-ke they can compete in the upcoming campaign. Yikho-ke basasayine kuphela-ke abadlali ababili, unlike-ke i-Orlando Pirates ngoba sibonile-ke ukuthi-ke basayine inqwaba-ke abadlali even though they won 3 trophies. So i-Kaizer Chiefs yona-ke sethathe isinqumo esikhulu-ke in terms of ama-players. Kuthiwa-ke uThabo Cele is on his way out of the team ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi-ke he was not playing towards the end of last season, and-ke besicabanga ukuthi-ke it was because of i-misunderstanding nama-co-coaches lawa bekhona-ke lapha noKhalil noKhaze. Kodwa sekuyavela ukuthi the player is still living even though labaqeqeshi abasekho-ke khona-ke lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. Sekukhona yena-ke uDa Cruz. Kuthiwa-ke they are trying to finalize a settlement, and-ke if both parties are happy, uzoshiya-ke laphana-ke umfokacele. And also Gaston Sirino ran out of contract iphele ngaye-ke uJune. Amakhosi azamile-ke ukuthi amnike i-contract entsha, a new 1-year deal with a reduced salary. Azange ayithathe-ke uGaston Sirino leyo offer, and naye-ke obviously because of imali wasala-ke khona-ke la eMzansi as he is training alone. Another player, big player for i-Kaizer Chiefs, uMaccabi Lepo, kuthiwa naye-ke is also not part of the squad-ke esilaphayana-ke eSpain. He was one of their best players last season. If-ke ehamba, it will leave a big gap-ke laphana-ke, and it will also make them weaker in the striking department. Kuthiwa-ke the player is wanted somewhere else, and-ke with this indication yokuthi-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs imshiye-ke khona-ke la eMzansi, kuyaveza ukuthi-ke maybe they are considering the offers that are on the table for the player, and-ke kungenzeka ukuthi bagcine-ke sebemdayisile because-ke uyafuneka-ke kwamanye amazwe, and-ke akekho-ke laphana eSpain. And then a big transfer loading for Amakhosi, according to ama-reports, ukuthi-ke they have officially tabled an offer for Langelihle Phili. Azange-ke bahambise kuphela imali, they have also offered some of their players abangawasebenzisi-ke who are not in their plans for the future, ukuthi-ke bafake kule deal yakhe kuLangelihle Phili to iStellenbosch FC. Sesilinde sona ukuthi-ke sizoresponda kanjani, kodwa kuthiwa-ke the offer is on the table, plus ama-players that Amakhosi are willing to part ways with if ama-Stelize ethatha-ke le offer yakhe-ke Langelihle Phili.